Welcome to Natural Lifestyle Remedies, where our mission is providing natural solutions to common health issues. This is a place where we delve deep into Mother Nature's pharmacy, exploring how her gifts can help us maintain and regain our health. Our focus is on remedies that are not only natural but also effective and backed by science. So let's journey together towards a healthier, more balanced life. In today's video, we delve into the connection between gut bacteria and irritable bowel syndrome, also known as IBS. Irritable bowel syndrome, or IBS, is a common disorder that affects the large intestine. Symptoms include cramping, abdominal pain, bloating, gas, diarrhea, or constipation. These symptoms can be mild or severe and can significantly affect the quality of life. It's not just about discomfort, it's about unpredictability, not knowing when symptoms will strike. Imagine planning your day around the proximity to a restroom or dreading mealtimes due to the aftermath. That's the reality for many with IBS. This condition is chronic, meaning it needs to be managed over a lifetime. There's no one-size-fits-all cure, but don't lose heart. Science has shown that there is a strong link between our gut bacteria and IBS symptoms. Our gut is home to a complex ecosystem of bacteria, also known as the gut microbiota, which plays a critical role in our health. This bustling community of microorganisms aids in breaking down the food we eat, synthesizing vitamins, and even helping to regulate our immune system. However, things can go awry when the balance of these gut bacteria is disrupted. This imbalance, known as dysbiosis, can result from a variety of factors including poor diet, stress, or antibiotic use. Dysbiosis can lead to or exacerbate irritable bowel syndrome, or IBS, a common disorder that affects the large intestine. In individuals with IBS, the gut bacteria may not function effectively, thus leading to symptoms like stomach pain, bloating, and irregular bowel movements. But here's the good news. By restoring balance to our gut bacteria, we can manage and even alleviate IBS symptoms. Restoring balance to your gut bacteria is a process. It involves dietary changes, probiotics, and sometimes medication. Let's delve into this. Firstly, a healthy diet is key. Consuming a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can help foster a diverse microbiome. Foods rich in fiber are especially beneficial as they serve as food for your gut bacteria. Next, consider probiotics. These are live bacteria and yeasts that are good for your health, especially your digestive system. They can be found in certain foods like yogurt and in dietary supplements. Lastly, be mindful of your use of antibiotics. While they are necessary to treat certain infections, they can also disrupt the balance of your gut bacteria. Remember, it's not about a quick fix, but rather establishing long-term habits that promote a healthy gut. By taking these steps, you can manage your IBS symptoms and improve your quality of life. Managing IBS symptoms by restoring balance to gut bacteria is a natural way to improve your health. We've delved into the intricacies of irritable bowel syndrome, highlighting the significant role of gut bacteria in managing its symptoms. We've seen the profound interplay between gut health and overall well-being, underscoring the importance of a balanced gut microbiota. As we've learned, simple changes in diet, lifestyle, and mindfulness can go a long way in restoring this balance, allowing you to live a healthier, happier life. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and share it with your friends. Remember, a healthy gut is essential for a healthy life. Stay tuned to Natural Lifestyle Remedies for more insights on natural health solutions.